How to get coupons on Trendyol. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some different ways to collect news coupons on Trendyol app, including daily coupons, special app only offers, and invitation bonuses to maximize your savings. So first of all, you're going to head over and simply select any of the items. So let's say we're going to click on this over here, and then I'm going to add one to cart. So I'm going to click on add to cart. And then I'm going to redirect myself to the cart. So now here is my cart. So you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. And now here is the discount code. So if you have any discount code already, such as any invitation bonuses or any special app offers, you can simply type that code down over here. Now you can see special discounts for your card over here. You can click on it and now you can see that you have already applied a discount code, because the Trendyol application is going to give you some discount codes from time to time that you can apply easily. So you can head over to your cart over here and you'll be able to see some new discount codes over here right now. Right now they have added a special discount, but you will get discounts as you use the application, and again you can also get the returning discount. You can also get the buyer's discount and others discount like that. So that will depend on the application. So you can head over, click on my account over here, and you'll be able to see my coupons over here. So if we do have many coupons or discount codes over here, you'll be able to see them stacked over here so you can use them in the cart. And that is basically how you can get coupons on Trendyol. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.